In this video, I'm going to show you a Glam tablescape. So if you're interested in finding out more about this, you know what to do. Stick around. I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and if this was your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm glad you stopped by, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now, you are in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. And on my website, creativelymissme.com, I've created forms to make planning easier for home organization and content creators. Now, let's get into this video. Today I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration, and the title of this collaboration is Glitter, Glam, and Glitz Tablescape, and it's hosted by three wonderful YouTube sisters of mine. Marilyn from Fabulous Designs on a Budget, and Geraldine at Diva Decorating, and Elle at Easy Living with Elle. Now, if you're not familiar with these ladies' channels, I will keep a link below to their channels along with the playlist when it becomes available. Now, on this challenge, the ladies have simple rules. They ask that you use a hashtag, which I will run across the screen, hashtag Glitter, Glam, and Glitz 2020. Now, they ask that you be a subscriber to their channels, that you mention their channels in the video, that you link their channels along with the playlist in your description box when it becomes available. Now, they ask that you set a tablescape using something glam, something glitter, and something glitz. Now, I have my idea of what these objects are. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with for this Glam tablescape, then you know what to do. Stick around. And while you're here, why don't you subscribe to my channel? And don't forget to click that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And never stop exploring. There's always something new on that very last screen. Now each plate setting is the same. I purchased new items. I'm using my mirrored thrifted placemat. My glitter is my copper tray that I bought. The Glam is the copper rimmed plates I have there. And then I have the Dollar Tree frame for a name, the copper flatwares from Walmart. And then my Glitz or my copper stemless and stemmed wine glasses. And then I have a copper napkin ring with a off-color, a cream-colored napkin that I purchased from eBay. So I tried to get all of my glitter, glam, and glitz in on the table setting. Now the table runner is actually the owl runner, a piece of the owl runner from my wedding. And then I have this beautiful centerpiece that I did a DIY on, that I'm going to include the link in the iCard to show you how I came up with this idea. And I think this centerpiece is very pretty. It has the copper, it has the glam, the glitz all in one. I really like the way it turned out. Overall, I'm really liking my tablescape. If you know me, you know I am a copper girl to the heart. And this is a true glam copper table setting.